Did you know a Soviet surgeon once had to cut open his own stomach to save his life? In 1961, Dr. Leonid Rogozov was trapped at a research station in Antarctica. The temperature outside was 60 degrees below zero. No planes could reach them. No rescue was coming. But Rogozov was dying. His appendix was infected and about to burst. Without surgery, he would be dead in hours. So he made a terrifying decision. He would operate on himself. Rogozov set up a mirror and injected his belly with numbing medicine. His horrified teammates held flashlights as he picked up the scalpel. For 2 hours, he cut through his own flesh. Blood poured from the wound. He fought to stay conscious as shock tried to shut down his body. His hands shook as he searched through his own organs. Finally, he found the infected appendix and cut it out. Rogozov stitched himself back together and survived. He had performed the impossible. Surgery on himself in the most isolated place on Earth. Sometimes the only person who can save you is yourself.